lot of the times people keep stuff behind paywalls, or you have to like initiate a conversation of, yes, we definitely want to work with you first. Sign here, and then we'll talk about what we can possibly do for you. I don't want that. I want to offer the solution. It's there, use it. If it works, great, we'll help you. If it doesn't work, tell us. We can maybe come up with something different for you. We're currently working on a demo and a testing server where we're going to have an example of everything that can be done by our clients. So when we first approach them, we can say, here, have access to our demo system. And then there will just be a big old website thing, like a web interface, where they can click the buttons of, hey, this looks like something we could use. And then it will say, okay, you can access this part of it by clicking on this link. And then it will show them a quick like demo video and like little presentation with bullet points and stuff, saying this is what this is usually used for. This is an example of how it can be used. This is how we could see it being used, and then they can then try and like plug their own documents or information into it and see if it is something they could use. We would have a little explanation at the end of that saying, and this service is often paired with these other services to complete like the automation cycle of whatever they're trying to do with it at the time. If we have someone approach us saying, we want you to scan in all of this paper, make it electronic, and then make a way for our users to be able to view it, that's great. But there's a lot more that can be done with all of that to integrate with your other processes and other systems. So that will be available in the demo system. So you could like take a subset of what we've done for you already and say, okay, let's see how these systems would work with this little bit of data. We'll shove that in the demo system and see just what can we do. And then that would all be like completely free to access. It's more of a like trial thing to see, is this something that we can use and do we want to use it? And then once they do get some use out of it and they find out, yes, this is something that we'd really, really be interested in, they can then come to us and say, okay, what do we need to do to get this actually working with our system?